Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the HVCI enabled error when trying to launch Valorant on Windows 11. If you've been seeing that annoying message stopping you from playing, don't worry. This fix is super quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, head down to your Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. In the search box, type Core Isolation. You should see an option appear under Best Match with the same name. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Core Isolation Settings window opens, you'll see a section called Memory Integrity. This feature is part of Windows security, but it can interfere with certain games like Valorant, which is why the HVCI error appears. If the memory integrity switch is turned on, simply click it to turn it off. You might get a prompt asking you to restart your computer. If that happens, just restart to apply the changes. And that's it. After restarting, launch Valorant again, and the HVCI enabled error should be completely gone. You'll be back in the game with no interruptions. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes and gaming tips. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you get back into Valorant fast.